Hi, very good morning. Today I woke up a little late, around 7:30, and yeah, I gave Pookie his food, but his food has got stale, so I had to blink it and get him fresh food. अभी क्या है ना, I don't have a fridge in this house. Bangalore fridge I have sold, and I need to buy a fridge here क्योंकि जो भी सामान मुझे घर पे भेजना हो रहा है वो तो मैं भेज दे रही हूँ, लेकिन कल बिकॉज पुकी हैज़ वेट फूड अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग ना, हाफ अ पैकेट ऑफ दैट तो फ्रिज में था. पापा ने मुझे रात को पापा दे के गए थे, लेकिन वो सुबह देना था. जब मैं सुबह देने गई तो वो खाना स्टार्ट तो किया, बट आई कुड अंडरस्टैंड वो स्मेलिंग. ही एट थोड़ा सा और उसने भी नहीं खाया. एंड ऑब्वियसली ना डायरिया हो जाएगा तो 25 रुपये बचाने के चक्कर में बहुत ज़्यादा ही दिक्कत हो जाएगी. 25 रुपये मतलब हाफ पैकेट मैं बोल रही हूँ. सो अभी आई ऑर्डर्ड फ्रॉम ब्लिंकिट. आई ऑर्डर्ड 2 पैकेट. आधा मैंने दिया है उसको, ही एट. बाकी अभी मैंने पानी में रखा है. पता नहीं ये फ्रिज जब तक नहीं आ रहा है बड़ा दिक्कत होने वाली है. और साथ में मैंने 2 और चीज़ें ऑर्डर करी है क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली यू नो ब्लिंकिट में एवरीबडी वांट्स लाइक फ्री डिलीवरी. तो मैंने ये ऑर्डर किया है. दिस इज़ माई फेवरेट चॉकलेट. एक मैंने डैड के लिए भी ऑर्डर किया है. दिस इज़ डेयरी मिल्क मिल्कीनीस. इसमें ना ऐसे 2 पीसेज आते हैं एंड इट्स जस्ट यम. दिस लाइक माई फेवरेट चॉकलेट करेंटली. सो एक मिल्कीनीस ऑर्डर किया है, 2 ऑर्डर किया है वो, एंड एक ये ऑर्डर किया है. When you are in Kolkata, you have to have mukhorochok. Mukhorochok chok tok jhal mishti chanachur. It's a snack. It's a Bengali snack and a very famous Bengali snack. So yes. घर से अभी आया है breakfast. This is some dal ka soup or something Mashi has made. So I'll be having this for breakfast. So right now I am going to my actual house. Let's call my actual house House 1, and this is House 2. Dad is in House 2. He is doing the unpacking. I'm going to House 1 for lunch, and I'll be there in the afternoon with my dogs, and I'll come back in the evening and release Dad from here because Pookie is yet to kind of get accustomed to the place and feel safe, which is why if I leave he starts meowing. But if Dad is there, like if somebody is there in the house, then he's quiet. So Dad is there, Pookie is there, they are unpacking, and I'm going to see my dogs, have lunch with Mashi. Here are some furnitures somebody has put out on sale, so I'm seeing if I at all need the chairs. Looks like somebody is shifting out. Oh God, this is Agarwal Packers and Movers. You know, when I used to stay in Delhi, when I came back from Delhi, even when I shifted to Bangalore, I also availed Agarwal Packers and Movers. They are very trustworthy, is what I know of, and even I have experience. They are good, but this time I got it done by, when I came back, I got it done by a local movers and packers from Bangalore, because he was he had taken a lot of my stuff to different cities when I was doing exhibitions in other cities. That gentleman used to take my products, so I got everything done by him this time. Laddu, my ladduli. This is Lizzie. Her favorite is Mashi. Ladduli. She's a mix of a Dalmatian and a Desi, is what I understand. But so she's also rescued. And the interesting lunch today is Rajma Chawal. I love Rajma Chawal. So yes. Does your dog also eat Rajma? Does your dog eat Rajma? No. Laddu? No. She eats practically everything. Here is Kutush. Kutush, say a hi. That is Aladdin. Hello, Alad. And this is Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell. Kothay go? Super breezy, and Mashi's taking me to the bananas that have grown in our the adventurous Mashi. So this is our garden only, and she had kept the bananas till the time I see it. Literally, it's so breezy. Woohoo, look at that. This is our garden, that's our house. Dekhi Mashi, purota. Purota korte hobe to. লুক অ্যাট দ্যাট। মাসি এগুলো কি পেকেছে? পাকেনি এখনো? তাহলে কাঁচাগুলো নামিয়ে কি করবে? Oh, so these are not ripened. No, these have not riped yet. ঠিক আছে, কোনো ব্যাপার না, it's okay. আমি একটা ভিডিওই দেখতাম। So this starts from there and it literally goes down till here.
তুমি আমাকে এনে দিতে পারবা?
কি আমি কিছু পারবো না এনে দিতে। So these have not riped yet, but that's what I was asking her in Bengali. She said that if we take it out and keep it outside, then they will all ripe in no time. So that's basically our house. That one is my room, this one. That is the center room. That side is another room. We have a balcony there. That side we have one balcony there. This is the ground floor. That's our kitchen. This is the dining room. Again, she's going up. Oh, to uncover the whole thing. বাবা রে, অনেক হয়েছে তো গো। অনেকটা তো। দিস ইজ পুকিস বক্স। হ্যাঁ, এটাতে একটা বাল্ব ঢুকিয়ে দিয়েছে। এখানে লেখা ছিল না কোথাও একটা? কোথাও একটা লিখে দিয়েছিল, মনে আছে কি? পুকিস বক্স। No, maybe that side. Someone's scratch pad is out. That is his favorite toy. His scratch pad is out. Look at the condition. He just loves the scratch pad. Baki to lot of stuff have been opened. There are so many of them still closed. I don't know when is this unpacking going to finish. But yeah, Pookie's scratch pad is here. That's his favorite toy.